turn on the Aeres Ezcook cooker, this side the infrared, you press the I button. So you can see there's an on, and then you press power. So this power you can adjust high or low. Okay, when it's low, it's using the small circle over here, so it's energy saving. When you put high, and you can see it will boot up in 3 seconds. And this is how the power is really hot over here. Okay, and if you want to set a timer, you can just press a timer over here. You can select from here is a minutes, here is a you can press another time, press the hour. So it's add and minus. Okay, and it's really hot. Let me tune down the power. You can either do a sliding down. Okay, and over here you can see there's a child lock. So child lock, what does it mean? You press over here. Okay, you see there is a red light. Okay, this red light means I can't touch anything. So even your children want to try, unless they switch it off. Okay, otherwise, if I turn it back on, okay, the child lock, you will not be able to press anything. Okay, let me switch this off. Okay, the next side is here is the induction. So you turn it on. Okay, and then I press the power. Like I say, the induction, you need to have a steel pots or pans. So now it's an error sign. And if I put a steel material, you can see what happened. It will start to boot it up. It will start cooking. Alright? So if I remove this, what happened? The error sign. That means you need to have a bowl or a pot or pans in order to activate the induction.